Holmarc's Metallurgy Microscope, model HOOMMT01, is an upright microscope designed specifically for material analysis and inspection. It is ideal for examining both opaque and transparent samples, featuring a high bright white LED for coaxial illumination and a white LED for transmitted light, ensuring optimal imaging under various conditions. The microscope is equipped with a 5 MPC MOS color camera to capture high-quality images, enabling quantitative analysis of grain size, porosity, inclusion, cementite, phase segmentation, and nodularity. Methods like Haynes lineal intersection and random line techniques ensure accurate results in compliance with globally recognized standards. The HOOMMT01 features a quadruple manually rotatable nosepiece and a side-and-top trinocular head with a 30 degrees inclination for comfortable viewing. Its infinity-corrected optical system offers bright field observation, with total magnifications ranging from 100x to 1000x through the eyepiece and 10x to 100x via the camera. The microscope's double-layer mechanical stage offers precise manual control, with travel capabilities of 75mm by 50mm. It also includes a sub-stage Abbey condenser with an adjustable iris for enhanced clarity. The system meets standards such as ASTM, ISO, and JIS. This microscope is ideal for metallurgical research, quality control, and failure analysis in industries like automotive and aerospace, perfect for inspecting metals, alloys, and composites. Holmarc offers custom-configured microscopes upon request to meet specific analysis requirements. Holmarc's Metallurgy Microscope, model HOOMMT01. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.